Have you ever wondered why some YouTube ads hook you instantly? Well, when done right, YouTube ads can unlock a world of leads, sales, and unmatched growth for your business on YouTube. And in this video, we're gonna show you exactly how to write a winning YouTube ad script. But before we jump in, we need to address something crucial to your business's success. And that is your business offer. Before you even begin to write a YouTube ad, you need to make sure that you have a validated business offer. If your offer isn't resonating with your audience, no amount of ad wizardry is going to turn that around. We recommend first having an offer that is solid, validated, and ready to roll, so you don't end up spending money on ads that were destined to have a poor performance from the start. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the nuts and bolts of creating YouTube ad scripts that don't just attract views, but drive real action. Here at AdOutreach, we've written thousands of YouTube ad scripts for our clients over the years, and we have a simple formula for creating winning YouTube ads: hook, educate, call to action. But before we start writing these sections, you need to first understand your audience. Understanding your audience isn't just important, it's everything in marketing. So let's explain the best ways to understand your target audience and then get into their heads so you can write the perfect script. It's not just about knowing their demographics or who you typically serve or what their interests might be. That's all good information to have. But you need to go deeper than that one sentence description. You need to get down to the bottom of your ideal client avatar. Think about the person behind it all. If you're selling a fitness offer to a man over 35 years old, what is he thinking? What's going on in his life? Who is he? What is he like? What are his interests? Create a story for that ideal customer because you want to be able to enter the conversation that they're already having with themselves in their mind. You want to know them better than they even know themselves. Now you might be wondering, Alric, how do I even get into all of this golden info? Well, here are some tips. Start by hanging out where they hang out. Maybe they're active in certain Facebook groups. Dive into these platforms and see what they're consuming. What videos are they watching? You can also poll your audience. Don't be afraid to ask your current audience what they want to see more of or what challenges they're facing. The better you understand your audience, and more specifically your ideal clients, the more targeted and effective your YouTube ads will be. That is the solid foundation of a successful marketing campaign. So now that we have an understanding of that audience, of that ideal client, let's move into creating that irresistible hook in your YouTube ad. Now your hook is arguably the most crucial part of your entire ad. And in the YouTube world, you've got about 4 or 5 seconds to make an impact before people can skip. So your hook needs to be great. You want to create a deep connection with your ideal clients really in the first 3 seconds of your ad so that they decide that they want to keep watching and then potentially take action. If you've done your audience analysis correctly, you'll be able to nail your audience's pain points, what they crave, and this will be the starting point for all of your hooks. As an advertiser on YouTube, your job is to test out as many creative hooks and angles with the ads that you write. The hooks themselves shouldn't be too similar, as you want to go for big creative wins, seeing what will work, instead of ending up with a bunch of similar variants that might have very similar results. Remember, your hook is the first impression. Make it bold, make it relatable, and make it count. That's how you turn a person from a viewer into a lead. So once you have your hook, it's time to work on the educate section of your ad. This is where you transform from just being another ad in the feed to a trusted advisor and industry leader. It's all about being that authentic authority. Building authority can be a big place where many people go wrong in their ads because you need to talk about yourself. But people don't need to hear your life story, right? It's a fine balance. Focus on the things that give you credibility and authority on the subject that you're covering. Only highlight those things and don't spend too much time talking about yourself. When you're building credibility, you want it to be a quick punch. It's not just about saying that you are the expert, it's about proving it. Whatever happens to be, providing that credibility quickly is going to be a great way to show your ideal clients that you are the real expert that they should pay attention to. And then after that, you can start providing real value within your ad. Even before someone clicks through, you want to give them a taste of the insights and expertise you offer. Now, this could be a quick tip, a surprising statistic, or an industry secret that they haven't heard before. Think about the 3 most impactful things that you could teach your audience in a very short time frame. What would be a game changer for them? What would be a big aha moment? You want to provide revelations and create these aha moments in the eyes of your clients and deliver that piece of information or perspective that shifts their thinking. Your ad should be more than just a sales pitch. It's an opportunity to start a relationship with your audience by teaching them something new and valuable. But be concise in your educate section. YouTube ads aren't meant to be long. we found the highest performing ads usually sit at around 3 minutes. So make sure that you're boiling down the value of your ad only to the most impactful moments, because you can tease those moments and then lead to the call to action. So once you've got someone's attention, you've built trust, and you've provided real value, it's time to get them to act. Writing a call to action that's not just heard, but actually followed requires two things: motivation and clarity. Your prospects need a compelling reason to follow your advice. If the education section of your ad is impactful, all you have to do is promise a deeper dive into the things you can help your audience with and then deliver. Also, your CTA needs to be crystal clear about what you want your viewers to do next. Is it to download a guide, sign up for a webinar, schedule a consultation, watch a training? Whatever it is, it needs to be absolutely clear what your viewers need to do once they're done watching your ads. Without a strong CTA, your ad is like a car without an engine. It may look nice, but it's not going anywhere. Your CTA is what bridges the gap between interest and action. It's what drives results for your business, whether that's more leads, sales, or clients. It's the moment when a viewer becomes a potential customer. Your CTA should be as compelling as your ad content. It should feel like the natural, irresistible next step for the viewer, and to get this right, you'll see the real power of your YouTube ads unfold. Now, if you found this video valuable, be sure to give it a like and share it with somebody else. Now, I have a full training on a complete beginner's guide to YouTube ads. So once you craft and actually create the script, you can go ahead and watch that video. I'll link in an annotation and down below. That's going to show you how to actually set up your YouTube ads, as well as a step-by-step PDF guide that covers everything we talked about in this video a little bit more in depth. You could go and download that free 19-page YouTube ads scripting and strategy PDF using the link down below right at the top of the description. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video, and I will see you in the next one.